So as you guys can see here, these two lights were made by my cousin at, you guys can see below at the Instagram account. Welcome to my channel. It's Life with CaityB, and as y'all can see below, we just playing a little bus stop, and y'all know I'm gonna win as always. You know, sometimes I'm just gonna let you know in advance. You know, I just hate winning, so I'm gonna let my family win. You know, now and then. Sometimes I might be savage and let them win. Oh no, and win myself. You know, because I just like winning sometimes. As y'all may know the rules. My family don't know the rules sometimes. They be cheating, especially my uncle. He be cheating all day, every day. So, our rules for playing bus stop is we had animal, we had names, we had countries, we had food, we have food, we have celebrities. Who else likes super dupers? So each one of us will be picking a letter. As you guys know, my auntie, you guys don't know, me and my auntie and my uncle will be playing. My mom's gonna be controlling the camera in the background, or she's gonna add 50 cents if you want, if you're not. You know what I'm saying? She doesn't want to, she wants to, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we just pick a letter out of the bowl from A to Z. I don't know about Z because we don't really know much with Z and X. So we're just gonna pick out a letter, and you know, throughout all those categories we have to think of anything that starts with that letter. Like say I picked out K, and you know, we just find out, we try to name, country, actor, etc. starting with K. KKK. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, let's move on to watching the video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment below what you think while I have my super duper and watch. Gay. Hey fam, it's Life with CaityB here, and I am with my auntie B and my uncle B. Damn! And we have letter A. 3, 2, 1, up.
Bus stop.
What did you get?
My animal was ape.
I got 8. I got a 0.
That's 5 each for you. Ellen.
Abby.
Angel.
Yeah.
Africa.
Is that Tenny?
Yeah.
Australia.
Australia.
Dang. I was hoping you'd put it.
What did you get?
Africa. Afghan.
What? Oh, apple.
Your color.
Oh, aqua.
What?
Aqua.
What's your color?
Nothing.
Afghan. That's tea.
I thought you were talking about food. That's why I was like, what color?
Well, food's
search this
next.
up, Mum. Please search this
Afghan.
up. Afghan.
Double shaded browns. Apple.
Apple.
You.
I don't know why I've written that either.
Adam Border
Ariana Grande.
and Aliens.
At last.
And last what?
At last, isn't it already? Shut your mouth. Hey guys.
The letter Q.
Ready? Go. Stop.
Wait, I'm just finishing off my pen.
I need the 2.
Wait, I need another pen. My pen's not working. I missed out on 2.
Q is very hard.
Because my pen's running out, that's why.
Okay, animal, I got quail.
I got quail too, guys. But
What do you mind?
What is a quail look like?
It's like
It's
a
a
mini
bird.
mini chicken. So that's 5.
Got nothing.
My name is Quentin.
Queen.
There's a person name was Queen.
Queen Latifah.
That's a makeup dude. That's not a real name.
Yes, it is.
That should be the best.
It is
That should
her
be a
real
no.
name. Why is it on the credits?
You're not allowed to name a person Queen, King, Prince, or Princess
You
in the
can't use
world.
those words.
You can't use those
Can't use
words.
In New Zealand.
You can't use those words.
In New Zealand. I'm going to put it there.
Okay, that's
I'm
questionable.
putting
Okay
it
then.
there.
Guitar.
Country.
Oh, yeah.
There's 20.
No, that's 10.
20. No, none of you have got it.
No, I haven't got a country. Because what country
Country's got
starts
it by
with a
yourself.
Q?
Guitar. That's the only country that starts with Q. Okay, Quicksilver's my
But
colour.
it's 10, not 20.
It's 20 if none of you have a point.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Just because you got nothing, it's 20. Leave it at that. Quicksilver's my colour.
I got nothing.
Yeah, that's another
Or
20.
quicksand.
Food is quail.
Quail egg.
A quail. Quail egg. Where's your egg?
There. Where's your egg?
Quail. Just quail.
You just said
I didn't eat my egg, so that's 10. Sarah for you. Quentin Tarantino.
Queen Latifah.
Queen.
Quicksilver.
And Quarrel.
Queen Elizabeth. The movie.
Whew.
Elizabeth Queen. What? Oh, there's a movie there, isn't there?
There's 8 points.
Oh.
20.
Average 8 points.
I got 40 points on the last one, guys, which is pretty.
M for monster. Go. I'll stop.
I'm trying to figure out an animal.
Can't think of a movie.
Okay, let's go animal, eh? Mouse.
I got mouse.
You've been looking again.
No, I never looked.
I didn't get no animal names.
Now people cheat. Mark.
Mama.
Mike.
Who?
Mike.
Mike.
Oh, we gonna go there.
Marcus.
Malaysia.
I got Mexico.
Matt Black.
Maroon.
You can't even read what you're.
No, because my hands are slippery that time.
What? What's your?
Mint.
Mint what? Breath mints.
You write that too. I put it
No
down.
one has proof. This is our first time playing this game.
No, you put down mint before.
Oh, food melon.
Milk.
Mint.
Milk food.
Yeah,
Milk.
it's something you can consume.
Food and a breath mint. A drink and a breath mint. Jeez. Famous with Matt Damon.
Mila Kunis.
Maya.
What Miller? That's a 0. That's
Mila
not her name.
Kunis. I don't know how to say
I
her
got
name.
Maya.
Movie Monsters Inc. 20 points for
I
that.
got millionaire.
You said you had no movie.
No, I said I didn't have an animal.
Who's Maya? The singer.
Oh, MYA.
Oh, come on.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
65, man.
Man, I'm
That's
so
pretty low.
good. 80.
80 for what?
Yeah, 55 is my highest.
Yeah. And the little bit of today is R. 3, 2, 1.
First up, Well, lift your pants. Lift your pants! All of that 10 words.
No, because I was halfway
there.
Yeah. And I got 0 for that one.
I missed that too.
Okay, rat.
I got a rooster.
Rabbit.
Rick.
Arena.
Robert.
Russia.
Russia.
Checkers points.
Rust.
Rocket red.
Just red.
Rustic.
Rust. What's your colour?
I got ruby.
Isn't that just coppery?
Rust is a rare colour. Not much people know about it.
Just him.
Raisins.
Rooster.
Rockmelon.
You eat a rooster, not a
Yeah, you
chicken.
know how back in the
It's a chicken, not a rooster.
War areas?
Rambo.
Rihanna.
Nothing.
Rambo again.
Rihanna.
20 points. Oh.
What? It's a movie.
No, I don't know.
75.
55.
Man,
Man.
so missed the next game and bitches.
I'm just letting these guys win it. I just hate winning sometimes.
Whose turn is it next?
To be honest.
You in?
And the letter is
G.
G-Unit.
Go.
BUSTOP. Go pop it up.
I know
Alright.
what words you made up.
His face.
So what do we get for animal, guys?
Go.
Goose.
Iguana.
Huh?
I meant goat.
What?
No, I wrote goat.
There's nothing there.
Yeah,
Sadie,
that's it.
check this one out.
See, look, Mum.
There's nothing there. Out.
It is.
It's scribbled out.
No, it's because I was. It's there. See?
So it's 5 there.
Oh, that's right.
Gary.
Gina.
Glennis.
Glenna?
Yeah.
Georgia.
Guam.
Germany.
Ghost.
Green.
Green.
Damn.
Ghost.
Grapes.
Goat.
Grapes.
So you're lucky too. What's your famous person name?
G-Unit.
G-Unit.
Not even that. Even nothing.
Really tough. Movie, Ghost.
G-Unit.
Ghostbusters.
It is a movie. Shut up.
Oh, I'll switch it up later, but that's a 0.
No, that's a 10, man.
Ghostbusters.
No, I know that was a 20.
Hello, Ghostbusters.
Yeah.
10,
Ghost.
30, 60. Not me.
Ready? C. Go.
BUSTOP.
Write your own name.
Yo, I do it for like 3 of them. What's
3.
your animal, guys?
Crab.
Cat.
Cats.
Craig.
Caitlin.
Kathy.
I don't know nothing for country.
Oh, Croatia.
Nothing.
Croatia starts with K.
Not even now. That's career, bro.
Cream.
Cream. He's so stupid, my god.
Nothing.
Crab.
Crepes.
Nothing.
Craig David.
Caitlyn Jenner.
K.
No, shit, no.
Caitlyn Jenner starts the name for K.
Search it up. It starts with a C. C. I know my Caitlyn's name.
And what's your movie?
Caitlyn Jenner. I just.
Catch me if you can. That's 20.
Try again. This is 0.
Oh, 0.
So I lied on that last one.
And funny thing is,
So you bust up on that last one and you didn't finish.
she knows and she just sits there.
You bust up and you didn't finish.
I can't.
You caught the bus stop.
You didn't finish your movie.
That's minus 20.
Man, that's minus 1,000 points.
So we got letter F. 3, 2, 1, go.
BUSTOP.
Damn. What's a country starting with F? Oh, man.
Okay,
Fiji.
animal, frog.
Feral.
Fox.
What did the
Feral.
say? Feral, yeah. Hey,
Fred.
feral.
Friend.
So creative.
Finland.
Got nothing.
Fiji.
Fluorescent for color.
Finnish.
Huh?
This guy's just making up colors.
Hi!
Yeah,
You don't know
Finnish boy.
because it's a rare colour in the industry.
Oh, you know,
Mine.
search it up now, please. Yeah, sea has an animal. Feral is an animal. See?
It's a type of animal says there.
No, but you can't see.
Okay.
What's your color?
Which
Type
one?
the colour
What's your
Finnish.
color?
Food, fries.
Nah, what's your
Frog
color?
feet. I got frog feet for food.
You,
Some
I got fox for food.
What's the colour?
Finnish. We'll see about that.
honestly, I'm going to get 20 points.
about that.
Because he's debated it. Frank Sinatra.
But you guys debate my
Frank Sinatra
Fergie. Fergalicious rendered dishes.
and Freddy Krueger.
Nah, I got nothing.
Forget you. Forget you.
Who stars in that, man?
I don't know, I just saw on like the passing by like movies there.
Where did you last saw that? 50 years ago.
Yeah, 50 years ago. Before my time. Is Finnish a colour? See, there's nothing.
Like I said, it's a rare colour.
Yeah,
Your
and
Google
you
is
know about-
probably Google only in Australia.
I'm Googling it too.
Yes.